Hey guys, it's Rich from Rich's Mowers and Blowers. And when you go and pick these things up, it's not always that easy. So my friend's been watching my YouTube channel. So when we pick up those free mowers, we need something to stay there on the trailer and not fall off. And they sent me some free stuff. They said, we want your lawnmowers to stay there when you pick them up. Something that'll do the job. These stay there. I got a recovery tow strap, so this will help pull these out. Let's go ahead and check this out. I just got this one because they seen that I actually pull stuff out from people's backyards. Look at this bad boy. There's what we need right there. You just hook this right onto the lawnmower, hook the other end onto the back of my truck, the hitch, be able to pull right out. It comes with your user guide, how to use it properly. You got some stay there stickers. Nice. This will go on my toolbox. What else do we got in here? Oh, we got a nice bag to carry that in. Look at that. Even comes with a bag. All you have to do is tear these like this and they'll come right off. Dang. This is probably one of the nicest tow straps I've ever seen. It's a 3 by 20 foot. Next up, heavy duty axle strap kit. It's a 4-pack. So these will go right around the axle and you can tie your stuff right to your trailer. Got some more stickers and the instructions. They also sent me heavy duty ratchet tie downs straps, a 4-pack. Now these are heavy duty, really well made, I can already tell. Look at that. So when I'm picking up these lawnmowers, I will be able to ratchet these down. What's really nice about these, they seem to all come with bags. Stay there bag for these. So I got 4 of these. Some more stickers. Gotta love the stickers. Got a 4-pack, that's enough to strap my lawnmowers down. Then we have a ratchet tie down strap with a snap-on hook, 4-pack. With a hook on it. So you can hook it right to your trailer. Right on the eyes. Now that, we're talking about hooking down a car with that. So you can't go wrong because it's going to stay there. We got a 4-pack of those. So if you guys want to see some of this stuff in action, you guys watch some of my videos, hit that subscribe button, subscribe, and you'll see me use some of this stuff. We'll test it out. And if you guys want any of this stuff, there's some links in my description for everything that they've sent here. When you need things to stay in place, here's what you need to go buy. Some stay there. Go down to my description and find the links to all these products. Stay there gets 2 thumbs up. Which is Mowers and Blowers. And I'm gonna stay there.